Alright, so we're going to talk a little bit about like your first bulking and cutting cycle. And so if you don't know what that means is a bulk cycle is when you're in a caloric surplus. Basically when you're bulking, your goal is to put on as much muscle as possible before it's time to cut off the extra fat. Now with putting on muscle, you also will put on fat. That's just science, like that's how it works, that's a fact. So this is why we cut. So once we put on a whole bunch of muscle, our goal is to cut the fat back down and then get lean, and then we can start it again and put on more muscle, cut off the fat, put on more muscle, cut off the fat, and then it's just a process. And eventually once you get to a certain point of being super lean, and your muscle mass will still be up there with you. But we're not going to worry too much about that for now. If you feel as though before it's time to start putting on a good amount of muscle, you need to burn off some fat, then you are going to want to do your workouts with sets of 12 to 15. So 3 sets of 12 to 15 on pretty much all your exercises. And also you need to be doing cardio about 2, maybe 3 times a week, but shoot for at least 2. And then later on we'll change it up a little bit and add more. For the nutrition side of things, again, still just eat your two clean meals a day. That's going to be most beneficial for now. We're not getting too serious in the bulking and cutting cycles. I just wanted to kind of tell you a little bit about what they are and tell you why, tell you like the rep range that you need to do. Now if you're starting out with like more of a bulking cycle where you feel that it's time to put on muscle right away, a lot of it you need to be doing sets of 6 to 8. So 3 sets, 6 to 8. Later up we'll change it to where we're doing, different types of sets and different rep ranges, but for now sets of 6 to 8 will work good.